Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently enabled the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18 but you not want to use it and you want to disable it, so how you can disable it? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to simply click on software update. And after software update, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply search for the Siri or Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. But before this, you have to simply make sure that your device supports Apple Intelligence, because Apple Intelligence is only available to only limited device in limited regions. So before this, you have to simply make sure that you have enabled the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, and it also works on your device smoothly. So before this, you have to simply make sure that you have used the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18 and you have enabled it. But if you do not want to use it, then after that you will be able to disable it again. So in this way, you can simply turn off the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18 without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.